Imagine stepping into Las Vegas in the early 1980s. The Strip glows like a fever dream. Neon signs buzz, limos idle outside casinos, chrome reflecting casino lights like mirrors. Inside, controlled chaos. Cocktails clink, chips crack, jackpot bells erupt like sirens of false hope. It's dazzling, addictive, but underneath the glamour, it's a system, and it's built for you to lose. Now slow it down. You notice the ones who don't win. The slot machine zombie, the guy who just busted on 16, the woman placing her last chip with a prayer and a sigh. This is the other side of the house, the side the ads don't show, where hope turns to routine, where losing becomes entertainment. And just as you're about to walk away, you remember a story, a whisper, a legend, a group of students who didn't play the game. They rewired it. Behind a locked door in a Boston warehouse, whiteboards overflow with equations. MIT students, not gamblers, calculate risk like physicists. Every shuffle is a data set, every hand a sequence. This isn't guesswork, it's a system honed through pattern recognition, probability, and cold logic. You're not building a game, you're building a mental slot machine, one that predicts outcomes. And now, it's time to test it. code real symbols, assign weighted probabilities, you simulate wins, you calculate payout thresholds. Every spin is a reflection of math. No luck, no chance, just rules you wrote. This machine isn't rigged against you, it's built by you. Your machine spins to life. You watch as the reels flicker, not in randomness, but in predictable cycles. Terminal logs output the data. You track win ratios, loss patterns, and jackpot probabilities in real time. To most, it looks like gambling. To you, it's just a simulation. This is the moment where code becomes power. Now the real test, the casino floor. Blackjack isn't luck, it's controlled memory. Your team moves like code, silent, structured. A spotter plays small, counting silently. Then, the signal, a casual phrase. That's a nice watch. That's your cue. You step in. $1,000 on the table. The pit boss glances. The dealer deals. You already know what's coming. Eventually, the house catches on. Faces flagged, cameras zoom, teams split. But it's too late. You didn't just win, you outsmarted the entire system. With a brain, a plan, and a crew, you proved that sometimes the smartest person in the room really does walk away with the money. Not because of luck, but because they rewrote the rules. If you enjoyed this journey into code, strategy, and the hidden mechanics of casino games, comment below. What's your favorite casino game or the coolest coding project you've built? Want to dive deeper? Check out the GitHub repo linked below for the full source code, strategy, documents, and behind-the-scenes insights. Subscribe for more content like this. Follow me on socials. All links are in the description below.